Joining me now is Bernt Nelson with the American Farm Bureau Federation. Bernt, you were just on a panel about surviving a down ag economy. What were some of the tips that you shared?
You know, looking at this, I think the tips for surviving, we got to get back down to the basics. We look at the financial environment and we're seeing input costs go up while we're seeing our prices for commodities go down. And when that gap widens, we start to think about things on the farm level when we're talking about finances. If we think about the tools that are available in the farm financial sector, we talk about crop insurance, we talk about our relationship with our lender, and we got to get back down to the basics. That most of our farms are family businesses. And so thinking about what we have to do on the family level starts first. That starts with leadership. That starts with courage to develop those relationships. We have to be thinking about our goal setting on a yearly basis. You know, maybe we set some for 3 to 5 years on the mid-level, and then further on, we talk about 5, maybe 10 years out.
You really stress the importance of having a marketing plan. Why is that so important to have on the farm?
Marketing plans allow you to see where you're at and where you need to be. They allow you to set goals. Marketing plans are evaluating your cost, evaluating your income. We talk a lot about yield times price. That's what our gross revenue is. And so when we set those goals, we can see what our break-even price looks like. And whether we're on the top side of that or on the bottom side of that, they help us make decisions to mitigate that and the risks associated with not reaching those goals. When we're looking at a year like this year, when we see corn dropping below $4 for the first time in several years, you know, we're comparing a lot of this to the 2012 to 2014 timeframe. And we have to be aware of that. Marketing plans allow you to be aware of where you're at so you can make decisions as we go through the farm marketing year.
We are headed into harvest. Is there anything farmers and producers should keep in mind as they head into their acres?
I think we have to be thinking about next year. And as some of the answers from our panelists addressed, you know, far too often it happens that we see some of the highest prices of the year show up in June. We have carry in the market right now. Our futures markets are telling us that June shows some market improvement. You can pick up 40 cents by marketing your crop now for June. So that shows that we are looking at the potential for our markets to be a little bit more firm and higher in June, which agrees with history. So we have to be paying attention and thinking about that as we go through the year. And that's in corn, soybeans, and wheat. That's where the opportunities are sitting, and that's what the markets are currently telling us.
It's really going to be interesting to see how it all plays out. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you.
Bernt Nelson.
Thanks for watching AgweekTV on YouTube. Make sure to like and subscribe. We put out new videos every Saturday.